Hello, it's Adi here, founder of Video Marketing Small Business. I wanted to answer one of the most common questions we get asked, which is, what is the best ring light to use for creating videos? The ring light we use is called the Belifu 10-inch Selfie Ring Light. And there's 3 reasons why we love this ring light. First of all, it has 9 different brightness levels, perfect for taking videos and pictures. Second, extendable and sturdy tripod, which extends as high as 160 centimeters. Third, the Bluetooth fob is a plus to take pictures in the distance. All this for under £40. So if you're looking for variable brightness levels, extendable and sturdy tripod, and a Bluetooth fob, be sure to check out the Belifu 10-inch Selfie Ring Light. Click the link or button below the video to learn more.